morning, guys. Welcome to episode 18 of how we build a 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. We are already on the 3rd floor. Last episode I show you guys how we pour the concrete beams that you can see here, and then we start or keep erecting columns, metal columns and beams to form the structure, the framing for the 3rd floor. And now we are already installing or finishing installing the metal deck for the 3rd floor. After that, in this area there's no metal deck. It's going to be an open ballroom, like double height. Over there is going to be windows, and from here to the west side is going to be the metal deck for the 3rd floor. Right after this, we want to start going up with the walls, with the blocks, and forming columns, repeating the process to do the 4th floor. So this is the update for now. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, give us a like. That way we can give you more updates on how we build 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. Thank you.